Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure rent increases with compliance reminders in AppFolio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start configuring rent increases in AppFolio, log into your AppFolio account. Navigate to the rent section from the main dashboard. Select rent increases from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Rent Increase button. Fill in the necessary details for the rent increase. Specify the property or unit that the increase applies to. Enter the new rent amount and the effective date of the increase. Set a reminder for compliance with local laws. Choose the frequency of the compliance reminders to suit your needs. Ensure to review the compliance regulations for your area. After entering all the required information, click Save. You will then see the new rent increase listed in the overview. To send notifications, select the increase and click on Notify Tenants. Customize the message that will accompany the notification. Confirm the list of tenants to receive the notification. Schedule the notification to go out on your preferred date. Review the scheduled notifications to ensure accuracy. Check the compliance reminder settings in your account. Make adjustments if necessary to the reminder frequency. Always double-check to make sure everything is set correctly. This will help ensure that your rent increases are compliant and that tenants are notified in a timely manner. Once everything is in place, monitor the rent increase progress regularly. This will help you stay compliant with local regulations. You can modify any details if circumstances change. Stay informed about any changes to local rent control laws. This proactive approach will streamline your property management process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.